Feed 1 million people this Ramadan through Al-Khair Foundation's Ramadan Food Pack Project. We are delivering these 30 days family food packs across the globe in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Somaliland, Kenya, Ethiopia, Gaza, Syria, Lebanon and Jordan for Syrian refugees. Each pack contains a variety of staple food items for when they open their fasts throughout the 30 days of Ramadan. At just £50 per Ramadan family food pack, your contributions will assist families in being able to fulfill their religious obligations without the fear of malnutrition or food scarcity. So donate now. Together, we will feed 1 million people this Ramadan. Call 03000 999 786 or donate online at alkhair.org. Jazakumullah khaira.